Hello everyone, welcome to the DappLooker tutorial. DappLooker is one of the only Web3 business intelligence visualization and analytics hub that features multiple data integrations. It's integrated with 15 plus networks and also supports subgraph analytics, subquery analytics, smart contract analytics, and off-chain analytics. So let's get started. This is a suite of DappLooker products. Our core product is analytics, which is an intuitive and no-code analytics platform. We feature AI, we feature data pods, we API SDK, and so on. Let's explore each one on itself. So let's explore the DappLooker Discover page first. The Discover page features public-facing dashboards across various multiple protocols. All these dashboards can be searched by the search tab, or you can even search through tags. Let's open one dashboard. For example, let's start with the Aave V3 dashboard. So let me open this dashboard, and once the dashboard opens up, you can see it's a comprehensive dashboard, and it's a multi-chain dashboard with Avalanche, Polygon, and Optimism data on a single dashboard. You have insights on the Aave protocol, very comprehensive insights. What's more is that you have a lot of features on top of the dashboards. So let's start and look at each of these features and what they do. So if I click on the share button, I get a public link to share the dashboard with my community, but I also get a public embed link, which is an iframe link. I can just copy paste this code on my website and get this dashboard integrated on the website in just a few clicks. The other thing that the dashboard features is you can view the records of the dashboard. That means you can view the events and raw transactions. You can fork a particular dashboard and add your analytics on top of it and reshare it with the community. You can download a screenshot. You can view the dashboard full screen. You can change from daytime to nighttime mode and so on. So here's the dashboard. Now let's figure out how to create such dashboards. Creating such dashboards is very easy on DappLooker. Let's go to the analyzer section. Then you can go to browse data, where you can see all the data that is there on DappLooker. This is 1,000 plus projects. Once you integrate your data, you will be able to find your data here. This is DeFi, NFT, gaming, and you name it. All these kinds of projects are there on DappLooker. So let's, for the sake of this example, go to Aave V3 Ethereum. Inside the DApp data, you will also see that the data is in front of you in a very easy to navigate schema. Borrows data is in the borrows folder, liquidation in the liquidation folder, and so on. If I open a particular folder, I can also see the data in a tabular format, which is very easy to navigate and easy to see for any kind of user. So you can see the kind of transaction, what user borrowed at, from which pool, at what rate, and what time, and so on. Let's say I wanted to create a visualization out of this. Let's say I wanted to create a weekly borrows visualization, so I can just summarize this. Summarize by timestamp, change the time frame to week, and there you go, I have a visualization. I can change the type of visualization. So if I wanted a pie chart, here's a pie chart. I wanted a bar chart, here's a bar chart. And even once I'm ready with my chart, I can customize it further. Like for example, I can change colors, I can display a trend line, I can show values on data points, and so on. Let's say I'm happy with this chart and with my visualization, so I can just save it. I can either save it in a public collection, which is available to the entire public and the community, or I can save it in my personal collection, just visible to me. So for example, I'm just saving this chart. Once I do this, it asks me if I want to add this to a dashboard. I will select yes, but before that I want to also show you any chart can be converted into APIs. Here you'll see the API button. So I want to add this to our dashboard, so I select yes. I can create a new one. Let me call it Aave, and let me save it in my personal collection again. I just click create, and there you go. The chart is dropped on a drag and drop dashboard editor, where I can resize it, I can move it around, and if there are charts that I added earlier, I can search for them. So let's say I searched and I selected all these charts which I added earlier. So here's my rough kind of dashboard. Let me click save, and there you go. We literally just created this dashboard in less than 2 minutes. That's the power of DappLooker, and that's the power of no code visualizations, no code analytics of DappLooker. And we just don't stop there. The dashboard has been integrated into DappLooker, and you would be able to also query all these dashboards with natural language. So let's say, for example, I want to know on the I can just select which project I want, and for example, I will just go back to kind of network. So Ethereum network, I can choose any particular natural language, or I can write my own natural language. So let me ask it in natural language, what is the number of transaction processed in a given system. So I'm just asking it, and there you go, it just shows me it processes this many transactions. I can quickly convert the 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 result into a chart, and then I can change the type of visualization. If there's the kind of visualization that I want, I can just save it and add that to my dashboard. um, we also have a unique feature called data bots. So instead of bringing your community to the data, we bring the data to the community. So I have, for this example, I have integrated a data bot into this server. I can just send a command, and I can customize the commands that I want, and I can just see the kind of let's say I wanted to see the kind of validators. So then there is the number of validators. I want to see what is the TVL on a protocol. I can send that command, and I can see the chart for the TVL on the protocol, and so on. Data bots are very easy to use, easy to add on a server. We also have data bots for Discord and Telegram both. So that's a unique feature that DappLooker offers. Apart from that, DappLooker also has a robust API SDK. You can use this API key generation function to generate a key, and then you can use chart APIs, dashboard APIs to embed or build the dashboards in your dApps. So for example, we have created this dApp called Cello Spy, which is a comprehensive overview dApp on the Cello ecosystem. It was built by the DappLooker SDK, and there's all these kind of dashboards embedded and charts embedded in this app. You can even connect your wallet and see your history on the Cello network, and this dApp is powered by DappLooker SDK. Apart from this, we also publish APIs. So if you go to the documentation section, we have a robust documentation section, a very comprehensive documentation section that shows you the kind of products that we have, how do you register data, how do you uh, query live data, how do you use push notifications, DappLooker pricing, all of that. But we also publish API guides. So let's say, for example, you wanted some APIs that you can directly use. We have this developer API. You can go to, let's say, for this example, we are in the Nordic ecosystem. So if I want to see a total transaction on Nordic, I can just get this public API endpoint. I have the example SDK code. There's a public embed link of the chart, and there is this chart which is a public link for the chart. So you can just use this JSON API for your development, and you can get results through APIs and use the API the way you would like. So these are the kind of features and functions of the DappLooker platform. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. There's a lot of other features, small kind of services and tools which you would know once you explore the platform. All you need to do is just create an account, sign up on DappLooker today, and enjoy the best analytics platform. Thank you.